Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the obvious but crucial items so you can move fast. Open Settings and go to Personalization, then Taskbar. Enable the network icon under Taskbar Corner Overflow so the icon can appear. Once done, make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is turned on in network and internet. Also check any physical wireless switch on your laptop and the quick settings. If the adapter is disabled there, re-enable it now to restore the icon visibility. You now tackle the middle, more technical steps to restore the icon by fixing drivers and the network stack. In Device Manager, uninstall the Wi-Fi adapter, then scan for hardware changes to reinstall the driver. This clears driver corruption. Next, run command prompt as admin and execute netch winsock reset, netch int IP reset, and ipconfig/release, then /renew to rebuild sockets and IP configuration. Once completed, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back, so the system tray redraws and the icon can reappear. You finish by confirming supporting services and performing a safe reset if needed. Open services. MSC and ensure WLAN auto config and network list service are set to automatic and running so Windows can detect Wi-Fi and show its icon. If that fails, use settings right arrow network and internet right arrow advanced network reset, then reboot to rebuild all network components. If the icon still won't return, run sfc/scano to repair system files, and as a last resort, consider a recent system restore point. This single troubleshooting tip often undoes problematic updates or changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.